with the author's parents rather you can say. Author के parents के साथ जैसे ही वो city में गए, there was a turning point in their friendship, उनकी friendship में, because in the village they used to live together and there was a close relationship, they were very close friends, and grandmother used to look after her grandson in every way, हर तरीके से उसका ध्यान रखती थी, and they were very close to each other, एक दूसरे के साथ काफी close थे. But when they moved to the city, जब वो city की तरफ city में चले गए with the parents, at that time there was a actually their friendship, it was snapped, उनकी जो friendship थी, it was little bit broken rather you can say, because first of all he was admitted in a English medium school में उसको admit कर दिया गया था, and he used to go by the school van, उसकी school van से जाता था, so she never accompanied him to the school, like when they were living in the village, जैसे कि वो अपने village में रहते थे, and she used to help him in a homework also, उसके homework में भी उसकी help करती थी और उसके साथ भी school में जाती थी, because the school was attached to the temple and the priest acted as a teacher, वहाँ पर जो teacher कौन थे, priest थे. But there can be a difference. Now this question can be there, what type of difference was there in the type of education imparted in the village as well as the type of education it was given in the or imparted in the city. In the city, what was there was a specialist teacher in the various subjects, and the different teacher taught different subject, whereas in the village only the priest was the teacher and he used to teach them all alphabets and morning prayer etc. उसको morning, and the school was attached to the temple where there was a separate building, it was a English medium school, वो English medium school था, और this was the difference. Okay, and the teach they were given lessons in different topics, for example this mathematics, chemistry, science and all. Okay, science and all, and even music also. And grandmother, she was not at all happy the type of education it was imparted to her grandson, अपने grandson को जो education दी जा रही थी, she was not at all happy, वो उससे खुश नहीं थी. And that's why and one day when the author told him, एक दिन जब author ने उसको बताया that he was given a lesson in music, ये उसको lesson music में दिया गया था, she was very much worried about the type, because according to her, उसके हिसाब से this music and all it was not for the gentle folk, जो common man, it was not the subject. Okay, it was the subject for the harlots and beggars, मतलब जो beggars होते उनके लिए या और किसी के लिए, गाने वालों के लिए होते, that is not for the common. And she totally disapproved that one. And she rarely talked to him after that. उसके बाद उसने बोलना मतलब कम बोलना कर दिया था. Okay, up to here we have covered. It was on page number 5 and second paragraph. We'll start with that. When I went up to the university, जब मैं university में गया, I was given a room of my own. Means he was given separate room. Earlier they used to live in the same room में रहते थे, but they never talked. कभी नहीं बात करते थे. The common link of the friendship was snapped. Once again, whatever the common link, at least they were sleeping in the same room. एक ही room में सोते थे पहले. That was snapped. That was broken. My grandmother accepted her seclusion with the resignation. Resignation means completely she was satisfied the type of situation was going on. जिस तरह की situation हो रही थी, and she was totally accepted. She was very much मतलब agreed to the situation. Seclusion means aloneness. जो loneliness था, with resignation, without any protest, बिना कोई protest के she accepted. She rarely left her spinning wheel to talk to anyone. What was the routine after sometime there can be a question, what was the routine when the author went to the university? When university, they were given the separate room, and she rarely left her spinning wheel to talk to anyone. It means she continuously from morning to evening she was busy on the spinning wheel. उसके ऊपर spinning wheel के ऊपर हमेशा busy रहती थी, चरखा चलाने में busy रहती थी. From sunrise to sunset, set by her wheel, वो अपने wheel पर बैठी रहती थी, मीन्स चरखे पर बैठी रहती थी. Spinning and reciting prayer, मतलब काटना और prayer करना. Only in the afternoon she relaxed for a while. केवल afternoon में वो relax करती थी, आराम करती थी for a while, to feed the sparrows, और जब sparrows को feed करती थी. While she sat in the veranda, जब वो veranda में बैठती थी, breaking the breads into little bites, जो रोटियां थी उनको छोटे छोटे bites में तोड़ देती थी. Hundreds of little birds collected round her. Hundreds मतलब सैकड़ों bird उसके चारों तरफ इकट्ठे हो जाते थे. creating a vertebral bedlam of the chirpings. वहां पर एक just like a madhouse they used to create in make a noise. Some came and perched on her leg. कोई उसकी leg पर बैठ जाती थी. Others on the shoulder. जो कुछ उसके shoulder पर. Some even sat on her head. कुछ उसके head पर भी बैठ जाती थी. She smiled. वो मुस्कुराती रहती थी. It means she was enjoying this time. And but never shooed them away. कभी भी उनको chase नहीं करती थी. And it used to be a happiest half an hour of the day for her. Sometimes this question, what was the happiest moment for the grandmother when they shifted to city? जब वो सिटी में शिफ्ट कर लिए थे तो व्हाट वाज द हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट फॉर द ग्रैंडमदर, उसके लिए कौन सा हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट था? Okay, this was the happiest moment in the afternoon, half an hour when she used to feed the sparrows. जब वो sparrows को feed करती थी after the half an hour time it was there in the afternoon, and this was the happiest moment for grandmother. And you can give the scene, what type of scene? Hundreds of birds used to surround her, Some sat on her head, legs, shoulder, and all, and she never shoot them away. Now, when I decided to go to abroad for the further study, now this was the third, rather you can say, change or further change. And I was sure my grandmother would be upset. जब उसने decide किया बाहर जाने के लिए, higher education के लिए, then he thought that she would be very upset. वो बहुत upset हो जाएगी. I would be away for 5 years. मैं 5 years के लिए जाऊँगा. Actually, was going for 5 years for higher study के लिए. And at her age, no one could never tell why this sentence has been uttered, because she was very old. She was extremely old, and 5 years is a very long time. In 5 years, anything could happen. Means he feared that he might not be able to see her again. शायद उसको दोबारा नहीं देख पाएंगे. But my grandmother could. लेकिन उसकी grandmother could, मतलब she remained. And she was not even the sentimental. Means he was thinking she would be upset. वो upset हो जाएगी, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल नहीं थी. And even not sentimental. बिल्कुल sentimental नहीं थी. मतलब full of emotions and all. For separating from her grandson. अपने grandson से separate होने का, there was no emotional feeling was not there. It was not expressed. Might be inside. And she came to leave me at the station, railway station. उसको railway station पर छोड़ने आई. And did not talk or show any sort of emotion. किसी भी तरह के emotion उन्होंने नहीं दिखाए. And her lips moved in prayer, and उसके जो lips थे हमेशा वो prayer में move करते रहे. And her mind was lost. Her mood lead in prayer. Her mind was lost in prayer. Means mentally and physically she was only busy in prayer only. And her fingers were busy telling the beads. उसकी fingers हमेशा busy थी counting the beads, माला फेरने में, of her rosary. Silently kissed my forehead. और चुपचाप उसने मेरे forehead पर kiss किया, माथे पर. And when I left, जब मैंने when I felt a cherished the moist imprints, moist के जो गीला imprints, निशान मैंने अपने महसूस किए. And perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. Means he considered might be the last physical contact between them. Because why there can be a question why it could be the last physical contact. Again, you have to answer the same, because question can be twisted. It can be asked in different way, but your answer will almost remain same. What would be? Because his grandmother was very old, and he was going for 5 years for higher study. Within 5 years, anything could happen. And he was not at all expecting that he would be able to meet his grandmother after 5 years. That's why he considered that it might be the last physical contact between them. उसके शायद वो physical contact हो सकता है. But that was not so. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. And after 5 years, I came back home. 5 साल के बाद मैं वापस आया, and was met by her at the station. She met me at the station. She came to receive me at the station. फिर आई, and she did not look at the day older. एक दिन भी older नहीं लगी. It means after 5 years again she remained in the same state. उसी condition में थी. She still had no time for words. Words के लिए उसके पास बिल्कुल time नहीं था. And while she clasped me in her arms, जब उसने मुझे अपने arms में लिया, and I could hear her reciting her prayer. तब मुझे उसकी prayer की आवाज सुनाई दे रही थी. Even on the first day of my arrival, मेरा पहले दिन आने से ही, her happiest moment were with the sparrows. उसका फिर happiest moment वही था. Same happiest moment was there, that when she used to feed the sparrows, जब वो sparrows को खिलाती थी. whom she fed longer and was a fabulous rebuke. Fabulous means in a joke. It was a rebuke, mild rebuke, scolding, siding, डांटना या फटकारना. In the evening, a change came over her. In the evening, actually, before when he was there for 5 years before, she used to sit only on the spinning wheel and reciting prayers and just keep on working on the spinning wheel. Spinning wheel पे ही काम करती थी. But now he noticed a change in the routine. Means after this one, uh, after the feeding the sparrows, there was a change in her routine. उसके routine में एक change था. What was that? She did not pray. अब वो प्रे नहीं करती थी. She collected the women of the neighborhood. पड़ोस की जो neighborhood में ladies थी, she collected, वो इकट्ठी कर लेती थी. Got an old drum and started to sing. उसको old drum ले लेती थी and started to sing, और गाना शुरू कर देती थी. For several hours, और काफी घंटों तक, she thumbed the sagging skin of the dilapidated drum. Dilapidated means which was broken because of the long use. काफी use के कारण जो broken हुआ हुआ drum था, उसको वो use कर रही थी. She was thumping that one, उसको बजा रही थी. And the sing of the homecoming warrior, and she was singing a very religious some song that is in the welcoming of the homecoming warrior. जैसे योद्धाओं के आने की respect में कोई गाना होता है. And we had to persuade her to stop, avoid overstraining, and we have to persuade, we have to urge, to motivate her to stop, avoid overstraining. मतलब you should not work so much hard. It will strain all your health or body पर strain ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. That was the first time since I had known her that she did not pray, and this was the time in her life actually that the author noticed that she did not pray. वो pray नहीं कर रही थी. The next morning she was taken ill, और अगली ही सुबह वो बीमार पड़ गई. It was a mild fever, बिल्कुल हल्का सा fever था, and the doctor told us it would go. डॉक्टर ने कहा it would go means she would be all right, वो ठीक हो जाएगी. But my grandmother thought differently. लेकिन मेरी grandmother दूसरे तरीके से सोच रही थी. And she told us that her end was near. उसने बता दिया कि उसका end आ गया है. It means the chapter of his life was going to be closed. उसका जो chapter था वो close होने वाला था. She said that since only a few hours before the close of his last chapter of her life, उसने जो last chapter life का था वो बिल्कुल बचा close to her last chapter of the, she had omitted to pray, और उसने pray को बंद कर दिया था. She was not going to waste any time. Any time she had omitted to pray, मतलब मिस कर रही थी, and she was not going to waste any time. वो मतलब कोई भी time waste नहीं करना चाहती थी talking to us, हमारे से बात करने में. Means normally at the last time normally the family members they try to talk, वो करने की बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं, but she did not do that one. She did not want to waste her time, अपना time waste नहीं करना था. She wanted to just to go for prayer, केवल prayer करना चाहती थी. And we protested, उन्होंने protest किया, oppose किया, because they wanted to talk to her, वो उससे बात करना चाहते थे. But she ignored our protest, लेकिन हमारे protest को उसने ignore किया, not cared. And she lay peacefully in her bed praying, अपने bed पर लेटी रही praying and telling her beads, और अपने जो माला फेरती रही. Even before we could suspect, और उससे पहले कि हम suspect करें, her lips stopped moving, उसके जो लिप्स थे मूव करना बंद कर दिया था. रोजरी फेल फ्रॉम हर लाइफलेस फिंगर, और माला उसकी बेजान उंगलियों से लाइफलेस फिंगर फेल गिर गई थी. अ पीसफुल पैलर स्प्रेड ओवर हर फेस, एक बहुत ही पीसफुल शांतिपूर्ण पैलर कलर, पेल कलर स्प्रेड ओवर हर फेस, उसके फेस पर आ गया था. वी न्यू दैट शी वाज डेड, और हम समझ गए थे कि शी वाज नो मोर. We lifted her off the bed, हमने उसे बेड से उठाया, and as it is a customary, because it is according to the custom tradition रिवाज था, laid her on the ground, हमने ground पर लेटा दिया. Covered her with a red shroud, और उसको red shroud means the cloth which is used to cover the dead body, कफन भी कह सकते हैं. And after a few hours of mourning, थोड़ी देर mourning means they were feeling sorry over the death of their family member. We left her alone, हमने उसको अकेला छोड़ दिया, to make arrangement, and they started making arrangement for the लास्ट रिचुअल और क्रीमेशंस, जो उसके अंतिम फ्यूनरल के लिए तैयारी करने लगे। फॉर मेकिंग ऑफ हर फ्यूनरल इन द इवनिंग वी वेंट टू हर रूम, इवनिंग में हम उसके रूम में गए विद ए क्रूड स्ट्रेचर टू टेक हर टू द क्रीमेटेड, और उसको स्ट्रेचर द आइटम विच इज यूज टू कैरी द डेड बॉडी, उसको ले जाने के लिए, जो डेड बॉडी के लिए वो लेके गए। एंड द सन वाज सेटिंग, सन इट वाज अबाउट टू सेट, छिपने ही वाला था। had lit her room with the veranda with a blaze of golden light, उसके कमरे में बिल्कुल गोल्डन लाइट का जो रोशनी की, सूर्य की रोशनी की चमक रही थी। वी स्टॉप्ड हाफ वे इन द कोर्ट यार्ड, और आंगन में हम बीच में ही रुक गए थे। ऑल ओवर द वेरांडा एंड इन द रूम राइट अप टू वेयर शी ले, जहाँ वो लेटाई गई थी वहां से, और पूरे बरामदे में। एंड ले डेड, जहाँ पर डेड वो पड़ी हुई थी। स्टिफ रैप्ड इन द रेड श्राउड, जो रेड श्राउड में, जो कफन में लिपटी हुई थी। थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्पैरो सेट स्कैटर्ड ऑन द फ्लोर, और उस फ्लोर पर हजारों चिड़िया, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्पैरो सेट बैठी हुई थी, स्कैटर्ड स्प्रेड दूर दूर बैठी हुई थी। And there was no chirping. Now this time there was no noise at all. Earlier if they used to make a huge noise, it was just like a madhouse they used to make. We felt sorry for the birds, हमने उन birds के लिए भी we felt sorry बहुत महसूस हुआ। My mother fetched some bread for them, और मेरी mother means her mother brought some breads, कुछ रोटियां लाई, and threw to them, और उनको डाल दी। And the sparrows took no notice of the bread, they did not care for the bread, उन bread की उन्होंने बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दिया। And when we carried my grandmother corpse off, जब उसकी corpse means again dead body, जो उनकी डेड बॉडी को ले जाने गए, they flew away quietly, वो चुपचाप उड़ गई थी। Next morning the sweeper swept the bread crumbs in the dustbin, स्वीपर ने अगली मॉर्निंग में bread crumbs they put it in the dustbin. It means they did not take notice of the bread put to them, उनके साथ ब्रेड जो डाली थी उनका कोई भी नोटिस उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। And that was the chapter. It means in the last we can say how did the sparrow give their last mourn over the death of how did they feel over the death of their his grandmother, and in which the sparrows expressed their sorrow when the author's grandmother died. You can write. Okay, there are now the questions. There are three phases of author relationship with the grandmother. Three phases of author's relationship. Actually, there are three places where their relation changed. First, when they were living in the village. Second, what was the routine there when they were in the village? She used to wake him up, used to prepare him for the school, bathe him, prepare food for him, and all sort of arrangements she used to make. हर तरह के अरेंजमेंट उसके लिए करती थी। एंड देन दे बोथ यूज्ड टू गो टू द temple actually, because she used to go with him to the school, and the school was attached to the temple. And when he was studying at that time, she used to read the scriptures or religious book. When everything this was in the village, routine was in the village, because author's father or the parents, they were in the city, वो city में थे, and both this grandson and the grandmother, they were living together in the village में रह रहे थे। And after this one, after the school was over, normally they were the grandmother used to have some stale bread, अपने साथ में stale bread रखती थी, and they were all welcomed by the stray dogs. और वहां पर at the gate of the temple, जो gate of the temple थे उनका stray dog हमेशा welcome करते थे, and she used to give them the bread. Okay, this was the routine in the village. Now when they shifted to the city, there was a change in their relationship. उनके relationship में एक बार change आ गई थी. First of all, she could not, because he had joined the English medium school, she could not help him in his homework. उसके homework में काम नहीं help नहीं कर सकती थी. Secondly, he used to go in a school van, उसके school van में भी जाता था, स्कूल वैन में जाता था. दैट्स व्हाई शी डिड नॉट अकम्पनी हिम टू द स्कूल, उसको स्कूल में छोड़ने नहीं जाती थी. दैट वाज द डिफरेंस. एंड सेकंड, देयर कैन बी अ डिफरेंस इन द टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन imparted in the village as well as in the city. In the city, what type of education and how he was given education, उसको कैसे education दी जाती थी? It means the school was attached to the temple, and the priest acted as a teacher. वहाँ पर priest ही होता था, and he used to teach them alphabets and morning prayers, जो prayers होती थी, and alphabets and all about the gods and about religious matter. He used to explain the things. But in the village, in the city, when they shifted to the city, जब वो city में shift हो गए, he was given the education in different subjects like mathematics, science, and even music and all, and in English alphabets and all, because it was totally English medium school, and the grandmother could not help him. उसकी grandmother help नहीं कर पाई थी. Okay, that was the, and now even after going to the city, another change, because she used to feed the village dog, but in the city there were no village dog. वहाँ पर village dog नहीं थे. She started feeding the sparrows. Now they were living in the same room, of course, but she was unable to, they hardly talk to each other. अब वो बात ही नहीं कर पाते थे, because she was always busy on the spinning wheel. हमेशा spinning wheel पे from the sunrise to sunset, and always busy in the saying prayer करने में वो हमेशा busy रहती थी. That was the routine of the grandmother when they shifted to the city, जब वो shift कर गए. Now after that, when he joined the university for higher education के लिए अगर university join किया, he was given the separate room. उसको एक separate room दिया गया, and there